Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel, we're looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we'll talk about MicroVision Incorporated, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name MVIS. Well, I'm glad to say that we did analysis for MVIS in end of March, and indeed from that period of time, we can see it went really nice. So those who followed were able to make really nice profit, even more than predicted, than advised to take. Actually, this is really nice. So the prediction was extremely safe. And now the next question is what's going to happen further. Is still MVIS good company to trade? How to buy here to make again on the next wave similar or even more profit? So to analyze this, we need to look first of all what happened in recent past. And for that, we need to see that, of course, we had really nice growth from mid of April. Then we formed big white red candle here, followed by dark one. So this was really a very stable resist line, showing that the area above 25 is actually quite strong resist at the moment. And then what happened, we returned back to actually previously formed very flat let's say triangle that was first falsely broken, and then we had this rebound. So now we're back in the tip of it and looks like we are going lower. So we are forming something like this. So decline, a shoulder, and decline. So that's what we can expect. That's what is taking place here, because we now finished lower than 2 days ago white candle opening and even low. So therefore we need to anticipate a further decline, and that will actually define our strategy of trading here. And with this being said, how to buy here further, we need just to watch for next resist support levels that are really clear here. Therefore we can let's say look at the first technical pattern where we can buy. And of course this level would be easily seen. It is right here between between 990 and 1130. This will make for us our first entry, let's say channel. Let's make a call out for it here. So it's 990 and 1130. So this is a primary technical channel from where the rebounds is expected. And again, once on the rebounds, you can take a profit here. And speaking of profit, on this current situation, it's still advised to take profit up to 10 to 15%, a little bit smaller, because although the stock might move quite fast, but it's still in the major, let's say, correction, and it's not yet clear when the correction will take place, if the primary channel will be the final one, or it might decline even further. Therefore, we advise to take profit from 10 to 15% of from the money allocated in this position, and really don't hesitate to take it. Take it, enjoy it, and re-enter if needed, or check out the opportunities. There are also many at our channel. You can find almost daily. We place many videos. So this is the primary channel. If this is not confirmed and we decline further, which would mean that we would pierce the support level of 10, or to be more precisely 990, which was confirmed many times. It worked as a resist, of course, before the 2021, and then it worked as a support line by beginning of March, but also here by mid of April. So if this is broken, of course, then we need to look for secondary technical support level, and this would be the channel between the volatility line of 776 and all the way to another volatility point, which is actually right at 669. Why is this channel is very nice? Because it's a double support channel. It's not only the volatility channel that was formed by beginning of the year, but also moving average 200. This red line will be on top by that time if we are going to decline. Therefore, this will work for us as a double support. And this channel will be 669 and 776. So this is a secondary technical channel. What does it mean? It means that if the first technical channel is broken and we decline, then this will be the second level where you can buy and still prepare for a technical based rebounds, making profit from 10 to 15% of money allocated in the position. It means that if you buy more in this level, of course, now we will speak of 10 to 15% from all money allocated in the position, not only those that you entered at the beginning. So this is important to remember. We always speak of all money allocated in the position, independently of which level you buy. So it will make actually even more than if you buy the second level than in the first. So with this being said, these are two levels. And of course, as always, we also talk about, let's say, the risk mitigation due to negative catalyst, if any, coming. And this is specialty of our style of trading. It's so-called mixed analysis, where we do analyze the technical situation, the chart pattern. Also, we talk about non-linear averaging down on support resist levels. And the third one is actually risk mitigation due to possible negative catalysts. It's not that it's expected, it's not that it's coming, but just we keep some funds to mitigate risks, because we never talk about stop losses, we never talk about cutting losses, but we always want to keep some funds to buy lower, so that every trade, in our opinion videos, finishes with profit or with extremely minor loss, if it happens to be a loss, which is a very rare situation. You can just check previous videos at our channel. It's almost always the case. The statistics will come soon from the previous year, but I can assure you can just check it yourself. It's really a safe approach, although it might take some time, because you will need a bit more time if we are going to the second or even third level. But we spend time versus money, and if you are trading with a strategy of stop loss, then you spend actually money to save some time, let's say. But both techniques are valid, it's just different. So with this being said, what should be the risk mitigation level? This should be the very principal level of of, let's say, previous trades. And of course here, this would be the level just below 492, which will be the top of it. And the lower part of it will be sitting just here, which will be 336, actually the one formed by mid of December. So this will be our last risk mitigation level, 368 and 492. So let's write it here as our next call out. So 368 to 492. So this is the risk mitigation, meaning that if there is any negative catalyst kicking in, you can buy there through and actually prepare for your rebounds and taking profit from 10 to 15% from all money allocated in this position. And asking how to trade here, how to buy through those channels, it's still a classical play of 5 portions. For those who are not first at our channel, they know what it means. It means that the money you would like to play here, you can split in 5 portions. Then you can buy with 1 portion in the primary technical channel, so through that channel slowly. If it's broken and we decline, then you start buying with another 2 portions in the second technical channel, so 669 to 776, meaning that you start buying at the opening and you still buy through until the channel ends with another 2 portions. And if there is any negative catalyst coming in, could be company related, global market situation whatsoever, you are just very confident because you will buy with remaining 2 portions, and while others will be exiting with loss, you will be just buying more and still making profit. So this is very safe style of trading, which also, although it sounds contradicting, tells you that the worse situation gets, the better is for you, because you will be actually buying with more and more profit at the end. So this is a very interesting way of trading. And it's not that you, of course, expect for bad news, but even the worse they go, actually, the better for you, because you just buy lower and you still exit with the profit. So that's the way to trade with MicroVision. Really nice stock. Why not to do it again? Why not to do profit again? So going for major correction now, but there are very principal nice levels to buy through, also with risk mitigation included. Should be quite safe trade. So good luck with this one. If you like the analysis and this style of trading, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.